Hey guys, and welcome to my 12-week update. 3 months now since I had the hair transplant. As we can see, hairs are growing. There is a bit of a frontal hairline. We can still see, obviously, where the hairline I had before. Here, coming down, up, and there. But obviously it's good news that hairs are growing. I'll link in some photographs so you can see what it looks like when the hair's wet. It looks like there's more hairs when it's wet because my hair's so fine and blonde that you don't notice it so much once it's dry. So I'll link in some pictures. I'm taking pictures daily to kind of track the progress, because obviously I'm looking at myself every day, and you don't necessarily see the progress because it's slowly but surely. But when I compare a picture from 4 weeks ago and today, we can definitely see that there are hairs coming. So that's obviously good news. If we have a look at the donor area, so that all seems okay, and I haven't changed my routine at all. I'm still taking the same supplements as I mentioned in the previous videos. I'm washing my hair now every day, in fact, with the Sebamed shampoo. So not a lot has changed. It's only a quick video because I'm quite busy. I've gone back to work with all this COVID going on, but been back to work now for 2 weeks. So yeah, that's the progress. I'm taking pictures, as I mentioned, every day, so I'll be able to do loads of pictures in like 1 minute, show you how the progress went. Now, in fact, from the 3-month period, 12 weeks, now is the time where hairs are really going to grow, apparently. So I'm looking forward to tracking this progress during the next weeks to come, and hopefully by month 4 it will look better than it does right now. Hopefully a bit more coverage, more hairs will come out, and also it tells you not to shave your head until the 4-month period. So you can cut your hair. You can cut your hair with scissors, which I'm not going to do. And so yeah, the 4-month period, I don't know. I might shave it all to like 3mm or something, because you can see when I do that, hairs are actually quite long on the back, but I can just kind of push it down like that. And even these, I mean, don't know if we're gonna see it on camera, even the little hairs that are growing, some are quite long. Yeah, so I'll make that decision when I get to the 4-month period, basically. So yeah, I'll do a video probably in another 2 weeks time or so, and see how it's going. Thank you for watching. If this was interesting to you, please leave a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe to the channel. If you're thinking of having a hair transplant, many more videos to come. I'll be tracking the whole progress, the whole 1-year progress, and if you want any tips or any advice on how to get ready for your hair transplant or whatever, I'll be happy to answer any of your questions about it all. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a few weeks' time. Laters.